Hello everyone, I just received this mysterious package. Well, it's not really mysterious, I know what it is. I ordered it quite a few weeks ago. Took pretty long to get here. It's something I'm extremely excited about. So let's open it and see what's inside. Protective stuff. Let's get rid of that. So this is a huge roll of drawing paper, a Strathmore Bristol drawing paper. And what am I going to do with this? Obviously drawing. For a very long time I've been wanting to make a huge drawing of a lion. And now we're dealing with the coronavirus and you have to spend more time inside. I thought, hey, let's just do it. So I ordered this really huge roll of drawing paper. It's 42 inches wide. And there's 10 yards on this roll, and so I'm probably gonna make the drawing, 42 inches by about 85 inches, I think. Maybe a bit wider. I just have to look at the proportions, etc. But something like that. So I'm extremely excited about it. I just wanted to do it for so long to make such a huge drawing of a lion. So I'm really looking forward to working on this. It's a special kind of, it has this vellum surface. It seems to be pretty good for making pencil drawings. So I'm going to be mounting it on a wall. I have a drawing desk, but it's a drawing table, but it's like it's going to be too small to work with such a huge pencil drawing. So I'm going to be mounting it on the wall somehow. Still have to figure out how I'm going to do that exactly. And we'll see how that goes. I'm going to be documenting the whole process from beginning to the end with my video camera. So I'm going to definitely keep you updated about the whole process. And so that was it, the package that arrived this week. So thank you very much for watching. If you want to stay updated about this project and also my other drawings, I'm still working on a few commissions of dogs. I'm going to be posting about that as well. So subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already to stay updated about everything. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you a great day and I hope to see you with my next videos again. Bye!